Hi, I'm Dr. Paul Carter, one of the audiologists here at the Hearing Center of Dallas Ear Institute. If you're watching this video, it means you've taken the next step to better hearing, and we're looking forward to guiding you on this journey. The purpose of this video is to review what to expect at your hearing aid fitting appointment, as well as share some tips to help you prepare. The purpose of the hearing aid fitting appointment is to establish a starting point for you and your hearing aids. Learning to hear in a new way with hearing aids takes patience and time. And since everyone's ears and situation are different, it's important to remember that success with hearing aids has just as much to do with you as it does the devices themselves. However, the purpose of the hearing aid fitting appointment is to best put you in a position to succeed with your hearing aids. Your hearing aid fitting appointment will typically have two parts: device fitting and programming, and a device orientation. First, your audiologist will check to make sure the hearing aids physically fit your ears well. This may involve using different ear tips or ear wires, and it may be different for the right or the left ear. Then, after applying an initial programming based on your individual hearing loss prescription, the hearing aids will be turned on. The next step in fitting is real ear measurement. The purpose of real ear measurement is to verify or check that the hearing aids are amplifying appropriately for your hearing loss. It's a much more precise way of doing it than just asking, how does it sound? To complete real ear measurements, the audiologist will place a small microphone into the ear canal past the hearing aid. This will likely feel a little awkward. It might tickle or even make you cough. And then you'll hear some speech samples played through a speaker in front of you. This will be played likely a few times at different volumes. And although this part may get a little repetitive, this part is crucial because it allows the audiologist to confirm and verify that the hearing aids are doing what they need to be doing. When the hearing aids turn on, it's very common for patients to say that things sound louder, their own voice sounds weird, things sound maybe harsh or bright. That is okay. It can be a little disconcerting at first, but this is a good sign. Your brain is starting to hear sounds it hasn't heard maybe in years, and it will take a little time for it to adapt to this new normal. While we want our patients to be comfortable with the sound they're hearing, we do try to limit the number of additional adjustments we make following real ear measurements. The sounds are going to be new, and we need to give the ears and really the brain a chance to acclimate. However, you will have access to some volume control should you need it. Once you and your audiologist have found a comfortable starting point, the settings will be saved to the hearing aids, and the hearing aids will be disconnected from our office software. The next step of the hearing aid fitting appointment is device orientation. Typically, this involves 4 parts: insertion and removal of the devices, using the charger or replacing batteries, cleaning and care, and pairing to your phone. First, we want to make sure that you can insert and remove the hearing aids comfortably and safely. We might do this using a mirror or just by feel. It's very common for patients to have some difficulty at first, but it does get better with time. The majority of hearing aids fitted today are rechargeable, and if that's the case with your devices, we'll walk you through how to use the charger. If your devices use disposable batteries, we'll walk you through how to remove and replace those as well. We also want to make sure that you know how to clean and care for your hearing aids. Typically, this involves wiping with a cloth, light brushing, and if your devices use disposable wax guards and domes, we'll show you how to replace those. Lastly, if wireless connectivity is supported by your hearing aids, we'll help you link the hearing aids to your phone, as well as demonstrate app functions and audio streaming. One tip that can help make the hearing aid fitting appointment go more smoothly is to have a loved one with you. it can be very helpful to have an extra set of eyes or ears present to help retain some of this new information. If you plan to link your hearing aids to your phone, it can be very helpful to download the remote control app ahead of time. This can really help avoid technical difficulties at the fitting. A lot is going to be changing at the hearing aid fitting appointment, from hearing new sounds to learning how to care for the hearing aids. And while this can seem overwhelming, remember that your audiologist is there to help you every step of the way to make sure that you're comfortable and confident in using your hearing aids. Thank you so much for watching, and please contact our office if you have any questions or concerns related to your appointment. Otherwise, we'll look forward to seeing you. Take care.